An Intel RealSense camera is mounted inside the driver's cockpit to do facial as well as gesture detection. That information is transmitted through a NUC, such as this one. A phone, the user's phone, is most likely being used for GPS purposes, so we're going to leave that on as using GPS, but the phone will be vibrating once we detect there's a drowsiness. A watch, Pebble watch, is connected to the phone. Again, the watch itself will vibrate in an attempt to wake the drivers up. The NUC is then connected to an Intel Edison, which contains three of the following. The crystal LED is used to warn the other drivers by blinking the red lights, flashing red lights. A buzzer will produce a very loud noise in an attempt to wake the driver up, and the motor is supposedly attached to the seats. This way it will give additional vibration, try to wake the driver up. And the speaker will also have, using the Intel RealSense voice synthesis, giving additional warning to the driver. All these are attempting to wake the driver up from the drowsiness. The monitor where it used is used basically for tracking of the facial. This piece is might or might not be in the car, but let's take a look at the demo. The point is keep drivers' eyes completely on the road. So this way, let's test yawning.
Warning, drowsy driving detected.
As you can see, the phone will vibrate to call it down. In order to stop, all we really have to do is look directly at the road. Or the second way, let's see if we're closing our eyes.
Warning, drowsy driving detected.
Same phone's ringing, as well as my smartwatch.
Warning,
is also vibrating to try to keep me up. This way, in order to stop, we can use our hand gesture, spread all 5 fingers. This is how they are actually testing whether you are awake in a boxing match. Let's take a look at this specifically. Let's take a look at specifically what the phone and the watch would do. Let's say in case I starting to yawn.
Warning, drowsy driving detected. Warning, drowsy driving detected.
Next, let's detect how the hazard light, the buzzer, as well as the vibrator would react when the drowsy driver is detected.
Warning, drowsy driving detected.
As you can see, the hazard light is basically blinking. The buzzer is basically beeping the very annoying sound. And the motor, vibration motor, whatever it's attached to, will attempt to wake the driver up. The technology behind this is that we use the RealSense SDK to detect facial, as well as gesture recognition. We also use the RealSense SDK for the voice synthesis to give out the humanly-like voice that you have heard earlier. The Intel Edison chip is responsible to give out the hazard light warning, the buzzer, as well as the vibration motor. Our smartphones and smartwatches are additional vibration device to keep us awake. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to enter the RealSense challenge. And I hope to use combinations of technologies to reduce the amount of drowsy driving and save more lives. Thank you.